Hey everyone! Are you looking to connect your Instagram account to Facebook Messenger on your iPhone or Android device? Stick with us until the end to ensure everything goes smoothly. Start by opening the Facebook Messenger app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your account. Next, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner of the screen. This will open the menu. From here, tap on the gear icon to access Messenger settings. In the Settings menu, scroll all the way down until you see the Account Center option. Tap on See More in Account Center to proceed. Now you'll be taken to the Account Center page. Tap on Accounts to view your connected accounts. To add your Instagram account, tap on Add Accounts. On the next screen, select your Instagram account that you want to connect to Facebook Messenger. Ensure that the correct account is selected, then tap Continue. You'll be presented with some information about what happens when you link your accounts. Take a moment to review this information. When you're ready, tap Yes to confirm the connection. After a few seconds, you'll see a confirmation that your Instagram account has been successfully connected to Facebook Messenger. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.